Coronavirus. Follow all directives from the Ministry of Health. Wash your hands properly.
Tunakuithikira tukibumenyithia gikuo kia Miriam Catherine Njeri Muthomi Wandiwopa Primary School Kayole imwekoro Godfrey Muthomi Mobobia wa Kenya Prisons Kitengela nengina wa Delvin Kinywa wa Strathmore University ni mware wa atotigi Mr. na Mrs. Francis Mwogo Kadhu ni daughter-in-law wa Mr. na Mrs. Venancio Mobobia ni mwarongi na wa Nyawera, Washira, Mushira, Wanjohi, Rukas, Samuel na Edith ni sister-in-law wa Anne, Florinda, Lois, Mary, Joyce, Luke, Rosaida, Kekundi, Kenywa, Mwenda, Nelson, Honorable John Kireria, MCA Goji East Meru County, George, Wanyareja, Ben, Aris, Firis, Diana, Mary, Doris, Tessie,